dugsiga boardingka iyo maalinlaha ah ee Amano Boarding and Day School.
Everybody, I hope you are safe at home and you are doing well. My name is Teacher Paul. It's time for maths, and today's topic is algebra. Subtopic is solving simple equations with one unknown. Now, algebra, it means using letters and symbols in place of numbers. Using letters and symbols in place of numbers. That's what we did in the last lesson. Today's lesson, I want to look at how we can solve algebraic equations and getting or finding one unknown. For example, I'm given x plus 2 equals to 5. I need to find the value of this one unknown, that is x. How will I get it? What I should do is, I have this equation on how to solve it. I have it this side. We take x plus 2 equals to 5. To work out this, I have positive 2 here. This positive 2, I'll take it to the other like terms. We put like terms and unlike terms together. But this positive 2, it will change and become a negative. That is, this 2, when it will cross to the other side, it changes to be a negative. That is negative 2. So this x will be 3. So x equals to 3 because these 2, it crossed the other side, that's the right hand side, and changed to be negative. Let's check a simple equation down here. This one. Find the value of x in x plus 2 equals to 5. I have a beam balance there. That x plus 2, it will balance with 5. That is, place 5 bottle tops on one side and 2 bottle tops on the other side with unknown mass so as to balance this equation. Remove the 2 bottle tops from the left hand side to leave the unknown mass alone so as to remove 2 bottle tops on the right hand side to maintain the balance. That is the way I explained earlier, x plus 2, r minus 2, so that I can remain with 0 on this side. Then I go to the other side, that's right hand side, I take away 2. If I take away 2 here, on the right hand side also I'll take away 2, so that I can remain with x equals to 3. But I did it in the other example. Let's look at this next example. That's example 2. Find the value of y, that is 7, equals to y minus 3. How will I find the value of that equation? What I will do, I'll go to this side, I show the working. I have 7 equals to y minus 3. This negative 3, when it has this sign here, for me to remove this number from here, I will plus 3 and I plus 3. That is, if I plus 3 this side, I'll plus 3 the other side. Negative 3 plus 3 equals to 0. So I will remain with only y this side, equals to 3 plus 7 is 10. So y equals to 10, as I'm going to show you down here. That is here, working out. Add 3 on both sides of the equation to maintain the balance of the equation. That is, negative 3 plus 3 equals to 0. We have shown you that side. On the right hand side, we shall remain with only y. Left hand side, will be 7 plus 3, which is equals to 10, and the final answer to be y equals to 10. Let's check the next example, how it's saying. I have here, that's example 3, find the value d in 9 minus d equals to 3. We put like terms together. That is 9, I minus another number, I will remain with 3. So I will come here, I take 9 minus d equals to 3. I want to remain with only like terms to be put together. So this one and this one. So here I will remove, that is 3d equals to 3 minus 9. D equals to, that's negative d. Negative d equals to negative 6. A negative and a negative, it cancels. So I remain with the d equals to 6. And that is what we are going to find down here. Working, it's here. Add d on the right hand side and left hand side. Left hand side will remain with 9. Right hand side will be 3 plus d. 9 equals to 3 plus d. Subtract 3 on both sides. I'll have d equals to 6. Let's check the next example. I have last example here, example 4. 10 plus r equals to 24. How will I find the value of r? This is the working. I have 10 plus r equals to 24. So I want to remain with only r. What I will do, I'll minus 10, this 10, I'll take it the other side, on the right hand side. And here there is a positive that's hiding there. When it crosses to the right hand side, it changes to be a minus. So minus 10. I remain with only r on my left hand side. That's r equals to 24 minus 10. So r equals to 14. And that's how we are going to find the answer here. That is r equals to 14. Let's see the next example. L minus 5 equals to 1. How do we find L? R plus 5 here, I plus 5, and I plus 5 the other side. Then I remain with only L equals to 6, because negative 5 plus 5 equals to 0. So we cancel that one. Then I remain with 1 plus 5 is 6. Let's check the next one. Example 6. 5 minus w equals to 3. This means that I want to find only the value for w. This 5, it will cross the other side. The 5 will cross the other side, and it will change to be a negative. So I'll have negative w equals to negative 2. W equals to 2. That's what I found here, as shown here. W equals to 2. Example 7. 21 equals to 5 plus m. How do we find the value of m? This 5, I'll bring it to the other side, because it's the same like term to the 21. Then this 5 will come here, this side. Then it will be negative, because here it's a positive. When it will come this side, it will be negative. 21 minus 5 equals to 16. Then we shall have m, this m, equals to 16. Let's check the last one. I have an exercise here. 21 equals to 5 plus m. M is equals to 21. M equals to 21. I minus 5. That will be here. That will be 16 and not 15. So here I was supposed to take away 5. I have an exercise here that I'd like you to try. That is 6 plus w is equals to 18. X plus 2 equals to 5. You can try this exercise of 2 questions, and then I'll meet you in the next lesson. Thank you so much, and meet you next lesson.